Hello everyone, today I have some exciting news to share with you. We have integrated a powerful new feature into our MethdAI Jupyter platform that will revolutionize the way you learn. Welcome to the latest version of Jupyter, now equipped with integrated AI capabilities. For your convenience, we have already added Jupyter AI Magic extension, so you are all set to get started. It's a simple one-liner command that enables AI integration. Let's dive into a quick demo to see the magic in action. In the next code cell, I'll type the magic command in the first line and then ask the question in the second line. Write a program to check if the given number is palindrome or not. Let's run the first line and then my query. Wait for the magic to happen. Incredible, isn't it? This AI-enabled Jupyter has now delivered a fantastic solution to determine whether the given number is palindrome or not. Let's put this AI-enabled Jupyter to the test and check if it can correct a program and eliminate errors. I'll copy-paste an existing code and attempt to run it. Oh, there is an error. Now let's see if AI can help. Let's run the code. Great! The AI successfully corrected the errors with this magic command. We have unlocked the potential of AI right here in our MethdAI Jupyter environment. AI integrated Jupyter is like your helpful coding friend. It gives you hints, suggestions, and solutions to make learning coding super easy and fun. Ask any questions related to your studies anytime, anywhere to continue learning beyond the classroom. Now it's your turn to unleash the power of AI integrated Jupyter. Open up your MethdAI Jupyter notebooks and start exploring.